Answer: world-class coaching and mentoring. No one does it alone. Grammy-winning singers, Oscar-winning stars, CEOs, and superstar athletes all have someone they can trust to coach and mentor them. We all need a safe place and a trusted confidant to help us strategize business decisions, fine-tune career paths, and secure our legacy. Who's got your back? Your answer might be your spouse, your best friend, or a colleague. However, that is not the same thing as having an objective master executive coach whose only agenda is your success and happiness. Your spouse may mean well, but may have a limited understanding of the business, as well as a natural bias toward you. Your colleague? Sorry, they have their own career to think of. So who really has your back? If you don't have a coach or mentor, you are operating at a disadvantage. As a master executive coach and mentor, I have worked with CEOs, Hollywood royalty, and professional athletes for the past 30 years. My clients tell me that it is not only lonely at the top, it is often brutal. They tell me how relieved they are to have someone they can trust and who only has their best interest in mind. I have a PhD in psychology, but more importantly in common sense. I recommend go to school on everyone. It is free, and worst case, you'll learn